Ano oras na ba?
Hi.
Ha?
Ay, ngayon lang ako nag-tiktok ng patalikod. Ng patalikod. Ang ganda ng buhat mo, Fuji Apples. Ako pa rin pala yan. Ay, yung pa-tiktok po. Akala ko ba dapat sana date. Ganyan i-date yung mga mami. Ganyan pala daw i-date yung mga nanay. Alam mo na, paano i-date yung mga nanay.
Groceries na shit. Anong restaurant?
Anong HHWW? Holding hands while walking. Magbuhat ka. Diyan kinikilig yung kadate mo. Sobrang kilig ko. Nakalimutan ko ako nasarang pala yung lock.
Oo.
Gising pa ba? Wala na. Iniwan na tayo ni Bugoy. Ay! Ay!
This is your heaven.
Oh no! Really? Wait lang.
Chocolate ball.
Oh, you're not eating M&M's. You're house show. Open the light. How about the kisses? You didn't greet us?
How about our kids?
How about our kisses? How about your kisses to your parents?
Do you want this?
Yes.
How about mommy? How about the kiss of mommy first?
Oh, si Tito lang kinis mo?
It's from the cacao pod.
What?
It's from
Cacao pod.
cacao pod.
Oh, alam niya kung saan galing ang chocolate. It's from the cacao pod.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
Di pa natin chine-check yung schedule mo sa school, patay. When's the next?
Oo nga, i-check mo. Hey, don't stop.
I'm still dancing.
You're just excited? Are you just happy?
You can dance, but you don't.
Ay, we have, pasalubong for you, di ba, Tito?
Ah, yeah. We have
The croissant. Diba, you like croissant?
Yeah.
Alas 12 na, good luck. Alas 12 na ng gabi.
Kaya nga.
Ngayon lang tayo nag-grocery. At least nakapag-grocery.
Ganda kasi ng gising eh.
Dahil mo kasing chismis eh.
Hey, look oh. You have a croissant. Yay.
What's that?
What's that? Ham and cheese.
What is that?
Croissant ham with cheese.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Do you like ham and cheese? Inuha yung chocolate eh. Paano ma-excite siya?
Kaya nga.
Oh, first
Oh,
time.
what's this?
It's a croissant, ham and cheese.
Croissant and ham.
Yeah, I thought you like it.
Do you want me to heat it up? Ayan, mas gusto mo.
It's ham and cheese. That's your favorite, right? Careful! Slowly kasi, drink water.
Get a
You're so excited eh.
Get a water.
Dalawang box pa yan, oh. Eat. There's an egg pa.
And,
That's my date. That's my date.
ano, restaurant.
Anong HHWW sa kabilang,
Wala.
kanto?
Tingkabila. Ay,
Tumawa mo ako mag-grocery.
natapos ko na. Ah, di ba? Ayun.
Oh, there's no cockroach na in your room? Ate Lynn? Wala na yung
Okay lang
cockroach.
naman. Oo.
Kain.
Kain. Meron din dyan.
Chocolate, chichirya. Come on. Look for food, ate. Come on. Look for snacks. Alas 12 na. Buti may bukas pang grocery. Hala, sinuboy isang buong bar. OMG.
Hey.
Hala, gising na gising to.
Talaga. Oh, eat your ham and cheese first. Before eating chocolate. Di ba?
Wala wag mo push. Puno na yung bibig. Traffic. Oy, you breathe first ha, breathe. How to chew your food. Breathe. Count your chewing.
To swallow. Fast.
Yeah. You have to taste the food slowly, right? So, you will not die choking, right? You will not die because of the chocolate. Ay! What is that, Jay?
Lahat pwede sa kusina.
Pwede sa kisame.
Ito yung sabi
Pwede sa bubong. Lin, pwede sa bubong. Kung kaya mo ilagay sa bubong.
Kaya mo ba? Ay, may ano, ice cream pala dito, matutulog
Ay,
na.
oo. There's an ice cream, Jay. Come on, put it inside the ref. That's your favorite.
Pwede lang na yung freezer.
That's your favorite. And Tito's favorite also.
Bili mo
Vanilla
pala
is
pala.
nice.
Kinuha mo pa pala to?
Yeah. Pabebe ka eh. Hello!
Hello! Dahil ko pa bata dito.
What's that? Ay, chocolate. How dare you? How dare you?
How dare you?
I just want water. Water for the entire walking.